Welcome to Electro Shopify Theme Tutorial. In today's video, I will guide you how to create an impressive mega menu, along with eye-catching and menu promotions. A mega menu allows you to show several menus from one drop-down, in your store's main navigation. With Electro theme, you can create visually captivating mega menu, and in menu promotions that drive sales and engagement. Let's configure a mega menu to enhance your store's navigation. Now, we are on Theme Editor. Go to the header section. You can see the mega menu block. To adjust for the mega menu, click on the mega menu, and go to the settings. You can add the menu item name by entering the name in the box. You need to write the name of the currently displayed menu item. Remember, these settings will be shown within the menu item where they enter the name. In the promotional content section, you can set an image by uploading it here. Please note that it is recommended to use dimensions of 900/500 pixel. Afterwards, you can insert the heading text by filling in the designated field. Plus, you have the flexibility to include a direct link for the heading, adding even more functionality to your mega menu. If you wish to remove the heading, simply delete the text in the heading field. Now, if you're wondering about promotional content too, you're in for a treat. The settings are a mirror image of the first one, making customization a breeze. Before finalizing your changes, don't forget to take a moment to preview your mega menu. Feeling satisfied with your mega menu and in menu promotions? Great! Just hit the save button, and check the live view. This is the end of this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest video. Thanks for watching.